Hello, Zabel. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Where you been? Where you been? You're drowsy. Look at this boy. This my boy. He was a kitten. He burned in my house. Born in my house about 1.5 years ago. But today he's a king of this jungle. He became a super boy. He's strong. Look at his mood. His mood is not good because he looks drowsy and he's dizzy. He looks dizzy and drowsy and he's not in good mood, I guess. Hello, my boy. What's up? You're not in a good mood today. You don't feel good today. You bored? Look at you. Look at you, my boy. 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 What's up, boy? Look at him. Come on, boy. I know you love me. I love you too much. We are friends. We are both friends. Good friend. Come on, boy. Zebel. His name is Zebel. His name is Zebel. He loves me too much. He loves me too much. He loves me too much. Zebel. What's up, Zebel? What's up, boy? What's up? What's up? Look at him. 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 Zebel. 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 Good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He scares of my 2 legs. Hello, boy. I like you so much, by the way. You are the favorite cat of this park for me. You are excellent for me. You know that? Look at his legs. He's over here and he's stuck here. Look at his legs. My funny boy. My boy. He feels very good. 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 Zebel is his name. Zebel. Zebel, viens. Viens, viens. Come on, Zebel. Come over here. As you can see, he's not nervous. He's a brave boy. I would never seen like this before. The boy doesn't scare of a wild cat. As you can see, brave boy, brave boy, brave boy. I like you so much.